Hi, Frank. Thank you so much for joining us.
Happy to be here, Chelsea.
Okay, so the first question, what were your symptoms before you started treatment?
Right. A few months ago, I woke up in the middle of the night. The room was spinning violently. I became immediately nauseated. I had difficulty standing, walking, and so that's is the way it happened initially. And I didn't know what was going on. I'd never experienced that kind of condition before.
Wow, that must have been really scary.
It was. It certainly was.
So what did you try first?
Well, I found a little relief in just sitting in a particular position. I come to find out later on that by doing so, I was kind of repositioning those crystals in my ear without really knowing it. I got a little relief that way. But anytime I left that position, then the symptoms would start again.
Okay.
Yeah. The next day, I called my regular physician, and he said, "Well, what you're experiencing is vertigo," and wrote me a prescription for motion sickness. And so I got the prescription filled. That gave me some relief from the nausea, but I still had episodes of spinning and being very unstable in getting around.
Wow. Okay, so then why did you choose to work with us?
Right. My wife was talking with a friend of hers who said that physical therapists sometimes treat the symptoms of vertigo. And so this was on a Saturday, and my wife started calling around to see who she could get in contact with, and was able to get a hold of Dr. Murphy, who I think because he was sympathetic to what I was going through, was willing to see me that very day. And so that was very fortunate that we were able to get in to see him.
That's awesome. I'm glad he was able to be there for you.
Mhm.
So how fast did you experience results from the treatment?
Right. I came in to see Dr. Murphy, and he immediately explained to me uh, why I was experiencing those symptoms, and then explained to me that there was a very simple maneuver that he could perform on me that would alleviate the symptoms. He performed the maneuver on me. It was very simple. It was painless, and I got immediate results. He explained to me that this maneuver would reposition these crystals in my ear that were causing my vertigo. And so once he accomplished this, I had no more symptoms and have not suffered from it since. And I do understand that it can reoccur, but I got immediate results, and I haven't had any further issues since then.
How long has it been now since your treatment?
Oh gosh, I would say it's probably been maybe 3 or 4 months, I think, since that happened.
Okay, awesome. And what would you say to other people searching for their vertigo treatment?
Right. I would say certainly go see Dr. Murphy. He understood the issues that I was having. He explained uh, what was causing my symptoms. He performed a maneuver and gave me some relief immediately. He was very thorough and talked me through it every step of the way. And so I was not apprehensive at all. And the results were immediate. And so, I would certainly recommend going to see Dr. Murphy if anyone is suffering from vertigo, which can be very debilitating and scary, and you have to have immediate results, and that's what I experienced with Dr. Murphy.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. We really appreciate it, Frank.
Absolutely. Thank you.